And Kitovijimomi led GPRN NSCN Bra, Aji February 13, the third phase of taking ceremony lushe. Ceremony di 57 members per hisa lushe, good day Kilonser, Deputy Kilonser, Aro Tatars Gan, Shamil Tagishe. Ceremony di Atu Kilonser Kitovi Bra, Idia Homoy laga political scenario upper Kotakurishe. Kitovi Bra, accurate position laga importance, Aro future younger generation gan gi impact tiboli upper Kotakurishe. Kitovi Bra, sub members gan gi naga costi hosta takiboli pinti krushe. Ceremony di President RM Lota, Aro Deputy Atu Kilonser, Chongshiwati Rabi Kotakurishe. Or taking do Speaker NTH Ipipemo Lota Bralushe. Ceremony upper details Saisabo.
Naga political situation la kotha to koi jana pe amni hoise hun pole thaga pani alchi hoi thakibo etu nimti khata apra inka koi dibo naga political issue ite amakhan hi confront kurigena lagena thaga to duita ase ekta to internal aro ekta to external to internal external ke am poila internal laga inka koi dibo jai Honorable members, 2002 de let Isaac Chishi Su Rotiech Moiva, Third Division Nagalenta, Hijana Naga Civil Society, so much can it a solution locally as a day Nagakan, Elika consultative law Tagatamte, Ama ENPO Manu, Ama Kunyak Manu, Exxon Pro Tikena. Naga Mazete Poila unity curriculum to Pichete solution Kurle Hobo.
The 30th of February 2025. I solemnly pledge my oath of allegiance in the name of the God and declare that I shall uphold my bonding duties in the truth and with justice under all circumstances. I shall abide by the National Yezabo to protect and defend the rights of the Nagas till my last breath. I shall never betray the Naga national cause, but maintain utmost secrecy under any circumstances. I shall at all times acknowledge that GPRN NSCN stand on the principle of Nagaland for Christ.